Hello everyone! So today I want to build a look around one color. So I want to use this Lisa Eldridge lipstick. It's called Velvet Dragon, and I want to actually use it on my cheeks, lips and eyes. It's almost that monochromatic look. Not almost, but it is. And when I was thinking what should I film, I realized that I really want to play with color. Play with different kind of different techniques of application, just play with one color. So if you want to see it, just keep on watching. So I put my hair out of the way out of my face, and I will start with Willida Skin Food. And the key for this product is to really warm it up in your hands, because it's very thick, it's very heavy. So when you warm it, it is almost like oil. And just press it at the high points of your cheeks. So usually, high points of your face, usually cheekbones, a bit on your nose if you want. I like to apply it on my lids, your lips. In terms of coverage, foundation coverage, I want to keep it very minimal. So I will use my MAC Face and Body and shake it really well before use, because it's water-based foundation. So apply it evenly all over your face. And I will use some concealer, or maybe even CC cream from It Cosmetics, just on some areas where I see that I need more coverage, and that's around my nose, my lips, because these kind of colors, like Velvet Dragon, you really have to have even out colors around your lips if you want that color to be in its full beauty. And the reason why I decided to do this makeup look, because I like to when I have some product, I like to see how far some product can go. So if you have lipstick, can I use it for liner, can I use it for blush? Lipstick doesn't have to be just lipstick, and that's a whole beauty of makeup. And also I like to see how different textures work on skin, and I tried Lisa's lipstick as blusher, and they work really beautifully. But then I tried some, I think it was from Yves Saint Laurent. I tried the lipstick as blusher, and it was just not good, because its texture, its formula, its maybe finish didn't work well as a blusher. And as I said, I always really like to just put different products in different roles. And also to show you that you do not need many products to create a beautiful look. So now I'm talking, so I forgot to say, I'm applying CC cream under my eyes, around my nose and around my lips, because it's color correcting, and I have some yellowness around my lips, so I want to correct it. So I will start with lips. I usually don't start with lips, I always finish with lips, but I want to build this look around my lips. So I'll start by applying it very lightly. I'm not doing that full swipe of coverage, because these lipstick, they are really pigmented. So I'm starting with tapping the color on my lips, and then I will see where I want this to go. And now I know it looks weird, but I will leave it just here, because I have color I can now see whole look in my head. Now I will put it some on the back of my hand and use it as a blusher. So one good tip, if you don't know how to use your lipstick as a blusher, and you don't know what coverage of lipstick is, you don't need just full boom blush on your cheeks. And if you want just that really light wash of color, put your product very deep into the bristles, really just make it almost as a part of your brush. So there's no crazy visible product in this brush, but you cannot see something. So then pat it, and you can see a color because this is very pigmented lipstick. But just keep building around and don't press too hard, because if you press very hard, you will have so much pigment on your cheek, and it's harder to blend it out. So just very lightly tap it on your face. And I want this blush to be not that sculpting kind of way, but very like on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm doing the same on my other cheek. So it's easy to add product if you start building it, but if you just do this and this, you have full color, and you made a mess, possibly a big mess. So if you add color gradually, you have control, and you have control of application, over color, and whole look. So I'm also leaving blusher right here. It's not finished, maybe it is, but now I'm jumping on my eyes, and I want to make a liner very close to my lashes. And also let yourself be creative. You don't have to do your lips and then finish it. Do your cheeks and then you are finished. Do your eyes and then you are finished. You can just go back and forth all the time, which is makeup, and makeup should be like all that beautiful creative process. If you are a makeup lover, if you are just doing your makeup every morning just to make yourself alive, it's okay. So I'm creating thin liner close to my lashes. I don't want anything that is very aggressive, because red liner can be very aggressive sometimes because it's very bright, powerful color. So I want it to be there, but not very obvious. So like this. You cannot see it that much, but it's there, and I like it. And when we apply mascara, it will be wonderful. And I still don't know if I want wing, so I will just wait for mascara to be applied, and then I will just judge it and see if I need a wing. So it's time for mascara, and I want mascara to be really into the roots. I almost don't want it to be at the ends of your lashes. Of course there will be some, but I want concentrated in my roots to create a balance between black lashes and red liner. So press it. Don't do this, just press it into your lashes. And try to not stab yourself. So it's not about the volume of your lashes and length of your lashes, it's about creating a balance between two colors. And good tip if you want a mascara on your bottom lashes but only at your roots, just close your eyes while you are doing your lashes, and then you will have mascara only at the roots of your lashes. It sounds scary, it sounds absolutely crazy, but it works. But please be careful while doing this. And while I'm looking myself into the mirror, I think that I don't need a wing on this liner. So I will start, finish my lips by applying a full color of lipstick. And it's not a sin if you are going back and forth. It's not a sign that you are not good at your makeup if you are going back and forth. It's just letting yourself to be creative, which I love. And when I have full lips on, now I can see that I need a bit more blusher here on the apples of my cheeks. And also a tip when you are wondering on coverage. So when you are swiping, you remove coverage, and when you are tapping, you add coverage. And that's always good tip to have on your mind. If you are doing concealer, blusher, foundation, remember, if you are dragging, you are removing coverage and you are thinning it out. And if you are tapping, you are just basically, you do not move it. You are just want to concentrate it in one place. And now I will do my brows off camera. And I think that we are finished. And also one thing that I want to add, that you can blot your lips. It's if you don't feel comfortable wearing full color on your lips, or if you just don't want to be bothered with lipstick, so you just blot it and everything is fine. And this is the finished result. I hope you like it. I really hope it was helpful. I was trying my best to give you tips and tricks. And if you want more, just subscribe, like this video, comment, dislike if you want, and see you in the next one.